And welcome everyone to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. I'm glad to be here with you all today. I'd like to send a shout out to all my new members, the new members to the Learn a Trade training membership. I thank you all for your support. I thank you for joining, and I know you're going to get a lot out of it. I appreciate you all. Um, Today's broadcast is titled Bunn Technical Repair Training Opportunities. I wanted to present this to you all in case some of you may not be aware of it or may not know how to get in contact with Bunn. So I figured this video would be able to present you with some of the information on their training programs and stuff like that. This page right here that you see, this is their the Bunn Learning Center page. And what I'm going to do is down below in the description, I'll leave a link for this site here, and you'll be able to go to the site, check it out, and see if if it's something that would be able to help you along your way in starting your own business or getting more technical repair training as a service tech with another company or something. So let's get into it. Let's look at the available training. Bunn Technical Repair Training Opportunities. Bunn Corporation is dedicated to empowering service organizations with exceptional training programs specifically designed for the technical repair of Bunn manufactured equipment and select other equipment serviced by Bunn Serve. Our training programs are structured into two distinct levels to cater to the diverse needs of your technical teams, ensuring they receive the most relevant and comprehensive training. Then they get into their standard training to build foundational skills at no cost. So this training is at no cost. Our standard training program offers complimentary access to a wealth of resources aimed at equipping your technicians with fundamental skills necessary for the maintenance and repair of Bunn equipment. This free content includes detailed manuals and instructional videos, making it an ideal starting point for technicians new to Bunn products or those in need of a skill refresh. The cost is free. The format is access to self-guided manuals and videos. The focus is on Bunn manufactured equipment, and it's ideal for foundational skill building and updates. So that's a good one to get into. And once you get on the site, you can go right to the self-guided manuals link, and you can access all the manuals, and you can access the videos also. I like to say they will require you to have an account or a login account. So you will have to prepare a login account with them before you can be able to go into the actual manuals and stuff. I think it will allow you to get a glimpse of it'll just bring you up to opening a login account. So it will require you to log in first. So now we go to the premium training. Advance with expert-led instruction. Elevate your team's technical service capabilities with our premium training program. This fee-based comprehensive training is designed for service organizations seeking to advance their technicians' proficiency in repairing Bunn manufactured equipment and select equipment covered by Bunn Serve. The curriculum extends beyond basic repair techniques to include online self-paced modules, virtual instructor-led training, and hands-on practice sessions. Entry into this program is contingent upon a Bunn commercial account, procurement of recommended spare parts, and approval process to ensure your organization's readiness for this in-depth training. The cost is fee-based. It's a minimum initial investment of $200, additional cost for instructor-led courses and recommended spare parts. The format is advanced online, virtual, and practical training. The focus specialized repair of Bunn and select Bunn Serve serviced equipment. It's ideal for deepening expertise in obtaining certification. Additional requirement is approval of service organization. So with this premium training, basically it's if you become a Bunn Serve service provider and you have an established service company, they would require you to have a service account with them, and you'd be able to look into more of that premium training. They go on to say whether your goal is to solidify the essential repair skills of your team or to develop their expertise to the highest level, Bunn's tailored training programs are here to support your organization's success. Our dedicated focus on Bunn manufactured and select other equipment serviced by Bunn Serve ensures your technicians receive targeted, high-quality training. Invest in your service team's excellence with Bunn Corporation's training programs. Choose the pathway that best suits your organization's needs and set your technicians up for success in delivering unparalleled technical service. And then as you go down, they have a how can we help section. And this is where you can request a Bunn commercial account. Also, if you already have a Bunn commercial account and wish to enroll in service training, you can hit the link there. Then they have another link that is for I am a Bunn Serve provider and wish to enroll in service training. So they have a number of other links that you would be able to go into depending on what you would require as a company. But the best part is that their Learning Center does have free technical repair training opportunities. They do have standard training option. So I figured this would be a good lead for you to look at. They also provide, the collapsible menu here where you have your home section, your dashboard, my courses, all of the different training, the instructional videos, software downloads, service bulletins on certain equipment, and then they have other resources too. Their resources consist of commercial equipment, service administration, Bunn glossary. Let's take a look at the resources section here, the courses. They have bean to cup, bat, or batch. Those are those machines that grind the bean first to a certain proportion, and then it will brew the coffee from the freshly ground beans. And they have coffee and tea brewers, cold coffee, cold water, espresso, frozen, which more than likely is their Ultra 2 units, the coffee grinders, juice machines, non-Bunn equipment, customer courses. Those are like courses for, say, if you have a customer that's just gotten a cappuccino machine, a Bunn cappuccino machine or something, then you could, be able to present them with some courses so they can, know the ins and outs about it. Then they have their customer-specific recipes because Bunn does provide the majority of the coffee brewers in the nation. And they do have certain recipes that are available that are strictly for Starbucks equipment. They have recipes for Dunkin' Donuts, recipes for Honeydew, all of the major chains, 7-Eleven, Cumberland Farms. There's different recipes for these customers. Yeah, and then they have also their service administration. That's basically where you go and go into your account or your login and stuff like that. And they have their Bunn glossary where you can look up parts, you can look up a lot of the programming in their Bunn equipment on their coffee brewers and everything. So it's like a glossary where you can go pretty much anywhere with it as far as their equipment is concerned. And then up in the My Courses section, you could click on there, and then it would let you, it would make you aware of where you're at on certain courses that they may have. Then they have their training outline, their available training. They have their e-learning. They have their certification programs and their exams. So they also have all of that available. So I think this is a pretty good site for those who are looking to get in on the commercial side, or you're already, in the commercial side of things, and you need to know a little more about the coffee brewers. You can always, go to a site like this and set up your login account, and go through the manuals, even go through the go through their videos and stuff like that. And you always can go to my website, and I have links for all of this on the website also. And just make the best out of it. If you have other employees that need to be trained up, this would be a good way of being able to get them the information they need, the training they need, without having to put a lot out, especially with this standard training option. So I think that is about all I have on this right now. I just wanted to present that. Like I said, I will put this link down in the description for you, and by all means, take advantage of it. Go there, take a look, and see what works for you. I appreciate you all watching. I thank you for your time, and I thank you for your support. Thanks again to all the new members that have signed up for the Learn to Trade membership program. I appreciate you. Thank you all. Take care and stay blessed.